In this question, we need to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this. So the given inequality is x plus y less than 5. To find out the solution of this inequality, we have to draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 5. So on further simplification, it will be y is equal to 5 minus x. Now let us prepare the table to find out the ordered pairs. If x value is 5, then y will be 0. If x is 0, then y will be 5. So the ordered pairs are 5, 0 and 0, 5. Now using these two ordered pairs, let us try to draw the graph. In this system, here is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now let us try to plot the points which are 5, 0. 5, 0 will be on x-axis and 0, 5 will be on y-axis. As the inequality has only less than, then we need to join these 2 points with the help of a dotted line. Like this. Now we need to select the region which is the solution of the given inequality. For that, let us consider the point origin because the line is not passing through the origin, and the inequality is x plus y less than 5. Let us substitute the origin into this, then we get 0 less than 5, which is a true statement. So therefore, the point origin includes the required region. That means we need to draw the lines towards the origin. Here is the solution of the inequality x plus y less than 5. In this problem, we have to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this. The given inequality is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. Now, to solve this inequality using the graph, we have to draw the equation 2x plus y is equal to 6 using the graph. That means we have to draw the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 6. To draw the graph, we will convert this into y is equal to mx plus c form, that is 6 minus 2x. In this table, we have chosen values for x, and by substituting the values of x into the given equation, then we get the values of y. So the order pairs are 3, 0 and 0, 6. Now using these points, let us draw the graph. Now here is the x-axis and y-axis. Now the given order pairs are 3, 0. Let us look at the 3, 0 here and 0, 6. And let us join these 2 points to draw the graph. And this is the graph of the equation y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now as it is an inequality, the solution of the inequality will be infinite. We will select the region. Let us consider the point origin. And here you can select any point. You have to see that if the line is not passing through the origin, then you can take the origin because it is easy to substitute. If the line is passing through the origin, then you can take any point which is not on the line. Now the inequality is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Now let us substitute the origin into this. 2 into 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 6. So this is 0 greater than or equal to 6. Now the statement which we got is a false statement. That means the region which we were talking about, or which we need to select, the region is selected opposite to origin, or we can also call it as origin not included in the region. Let us draw the lines. Here you can just draw the arrows to just denote that the region where all the solutions are available. So that means here towards this, all the points which are the solutions of the given inequality. So let us mention the inequality here. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. In this question, we need to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this. The given inequality is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So we need to draw the graph of 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. So this will be 4y is equal to 12 minus 3x, and y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 4. Now let us select the values for x with the help of a table. If x is equal to 0, this will be 12 by 4, which is 3. And if x is equal to 4, then this will be 12 minus 12, which is 0. So the ordered pairs are 0, 3 and 4, 0. Now let us draw the graph using these two order pairs. Now here is the x-axis and here is y-axis, and the order pairs are 0, 3. 0, 3 will be here, and 4, 0 will be here. Now let us draw a line passing through these 2 points. Now observe that this line is dividing the plane into 2 halves. Now it is not passing through the origin, so let us select the origin. Let us consider the point origin and we'll substitute into the inequality. This is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, which is less than or equal to 12. So 0 less than or equal to 12, which is a true statement. Therefore, origin includes the region. This means the region which we are talking about should be towards the origin. That means we have to draw the arrows towards the origin. So towards this, all the points which will satisfy the given inequality. So the inequality is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. In this problem, we need to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us solve it now. The given inequality is y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. Now we need to draw the graph of y plus 8 is equal to 2x. So that implies y is equal to 2x minus 8. Now let us select the points to draw the graph. Let us select the values for x and we automatically get the values for y. If x is 0, then y is minus 8. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 0. So the order pairs for us are 0, minus 8 and 4, 0. Here the x-axis and y-axis. We have taken the scale here for 2 centimeters. Now the points are 0, minus 8. 0, minus 8 will be here. And the next one is 4, 0, which will be here. Now let us join the 2 points. Now the line is dividing the plane into 2 half planes. So, and the line is not passing through the origin. So let us consider the origin and we'll substitute the origin into the given inequality, which is y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. 0 plus 8 is greater than or equal to 2 into 0. This will give us 8 greater than or equal to 0, which is a true statement. So therefore the point which we have selected, origin, includes in the region. So that means the arrow marks we need to draw towards the origin. So all the points towards this region are the solutions for the given inequality. So the given inequality is y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. In this question, we need to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this. So the given inequality is x minus y less than or equal to 2. Now we need to draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 2. So this will be y is equal to x minus 2. Now let us draw the table for this. To select the points, and we select the values for x and we get the values for y. If x is equal to 2, then y will be 0. If x is equal to 0, then y will be minus 2. So the order pairs for us to draw the graph as 2, 0 and 0, minus 2. Now let us draw the graph for that. Here is the graph with x-axis and y-axis. Now let us plot these points. 2, 0 will be here. And next is 0, minus 2 will be here. Let us join these 2 points. Here is a line dividing the plane into 2 equal parts. Now the line is not passing through the origin, so therefore let us consider the point origin and we'll substitute this point into the given inequality. which is x minus y less than or equal to 2, 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 2, which is 0 less than or equal to 2, which is a true statement. So therefore the point which we have selected, which is origin, includes the region. So that means we have to draw the arrow marks towards the origin. Here we have no rules for the lengths of these arrows and the distance between the two arrows. So these arrow marks are meant to show the region towards that, and you can also shade the region towards this. So the inequality here is x minus y less than or equal to 2. In this question, we need to solve the inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this. So the given inequality is 2x minus 3y greater than 6, and we need to draw the graph of the equation, which is 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. So on simplification, 3y is equal to 2x minus 6. So y is equal to 2x minus 6 by 3. Now we have to frame the table to find out the ordered pairs. Now let us select the values for x. Let us select 0. Then we get minus 2 because minus 6 by 3. And if I select 3 for x, then I get 0. So the ordered pairs would be 0, comma minus 2 and 3, comma 0. Now using these two ordered pairs, let us draw the graph. Here is the x-axis and here y-axis, and order pairs for us 0, comma minus 2. So 0, comma minus 2 will be here. And the next one is 3, comma 0, which will be here. And as you can see that inequality is has only greater than. So here we need to draw the dotted line. This you have to be very, very careful. Because the points which are on the line will not be into the region. So we have to draw the dotted line only. And as this line is not passing through the origin, then let us select the origin and substitute into the inequality. The inequality is 2x minus 3y greater than 6. So 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 is greater than 6. This will be 0 greater than 6, which is a false statement. That means the point which we have selected, origin, is not included in the region. So origin is not included in the region. That means we need to draw the arrow marks just opposite to the origin. And only the crucial point in this graph is the dotted line. So the inequality here is 2x minus 3y greater than 6. In this question, we need to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this. The given inequality is minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Now we need to draw the graph of minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. So this will give us 2y is equal to 3x minus 6 and y is equal to 3x minus 6 by 2. Now we have to form the table for this to get the ordered pairs. We'll choose the values for x and we'll get the values for y. If I substitute in place of x 0, then I'll get minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Then if I substitute 2 in place of x, then I get 6 minus 6, which is 0. So the order pairs would be 0, minus 3 and 2, 0. Now using these two order pairs, let us draw the graph. Now here is the x-axis and this is y-axis. Now the ordered pairs are 0, minus 3. That means x is 0, y is minus 3, which is here. And the next order pair is 2, 0. 2 is x here. Now since it is greater than or equal to, we have to draw a thick line by joining these 2 points. Now this is a line which is formed by joining the 2 points, and now we have to select the region because the line divides that plane into 2 halves. Now let us consider the point origin because the line is not passing through the origin, and we'll substitute this point into the given inequality, which is 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Now if I substitute origin into the inequality, we get 0 greater than or equal to minus 6, which is a true statement. So therefore the point origin includes the region. That means the inequality region should be towards the origin. So the solution region of this inequality is towards this. So the inequality is minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. In this question, we need to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us solve the problem now. The given inequality is 3y minus 5x less than 30. Now we need to draw the graph of 3y minus 5x is equal to 30. That will give us 3y is equal to 30 plus 5x. So y is equal to 30 plus 5x by 3. Now let us form the table to select the points. Let us select the values for x and we get different values for y. If x is equal to 0, then y will be 10. If x is equal to minus 6, then y will be 0. So the ordered pairs are 0, 10 and minus 6, 0. Now with the help of these two ordered pairs, let us draw the graph. Now here is the x-axis and here is the y-axis. Now the points are 0, 10. 0, 10 will be here. Let us write 10 here. Here is 0, 10. Next is minus 6, 0. Minus 6, 0 will be here. Now let us join these 2 points and get the line. But remember, here is only less than symbol, therefore we need to draw the dotted line. Here is the line which is dividing the plane into 2 halves, and it is not passing through the origin. Now let us select the point origin and let's substitute into the given inequality. The inequality is 3y minus 5x less than 30. This is 3 into 0 minus 5 into 0 less than 30. So this will give us 0 less than 30, which is a true statement. Therefore, the point which we have selected, that is origin, includes the region. That means the region should be towards the origin. And here all these points which are towards this satisfies the given inequality. The inequality is 3y minus 5x less than 30. In this problem, we need to find out the solution of the given inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this now. And the given inequality is y is less than minus 2. To draw the graph of this inequality, we have to draw the graph of y is equal to minus 2. We know that y is equal to minus 2 is a line which is parallel to x-axis. Let us draw the graph for that line and then we will try to locate the solution for the given inequality. Here is the x-axis and this is y-axis, and we have to draw the graph of y is equal to minus 2, which is parallel to x-axis. Here is minus 1, here minus 2, minus 3. So the line intersects the y-axis at minus 2, and observe that here only less than symbol, therefore we have to draw the dotted line which is passing through minus 2 and parallel to x-axis. The line will be like this. And this is the line y is equal to minus 2. Now we need to select the region. For that we will consider, let us consider the point which is origin, because the line is not passing through the origin. If we substitute that into the given inequality, which is y less than minus 2, and if I substitute 0 less than minus 2, which is a false statement. So therefore the point origin is not included in the region. So that means the lines should be opposite to the origin, like this. So that means all the points in this region are the solutions for the given inequality. So the given inequality is here y less than minus 2. In this problem, we need to solve the given inequality using the graph. Let us see the solution for this. So the given inequality is x greater than minus 3. Now to find out the solution of this inequality, we need to draw the graph of x is equal to minus 3. Now we know that the line x is equal to minus 3 is parallel to y-axis. Let us draw the graph now to find out the solution of the given inequality. Now here is the x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we have to draw a line which is parallel to y-axis and it should intersect the x-axis at minus 3. That means here. And since it is only greater than, so therefore we need to draw the dotted line passing through the minus 3. Here is the line which is passing through minus 3 parallel to y-axis. Now we have to select the region which represents the given inequality. So let us consider the point origin and substitute into the inequality. Inequality is x greater than minus 3. So therefore we get 0 greater than minus 3, which is a true statement. So that means the region should be towards the origin. So therefore the origin includes the region. So the lines should be towards this. Let us draw that now. So towards this side, all the points which will satisfy the given inequality, that is x greater than minus 3.